How to fix Robinhood app crashing. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Robinhood app crashing. So in order to fix a crashing Robinhood app, first of all, you want to check your internet and update the app. Head over to your settings on your device, locate internet from the list, and go to internet. And here's what you need is you just want to make sure to go ahead and refresh or maybe reconnect to any sort of other connections that might also be able to help you out. Meanwhile, if you are in the same page, you want to go to the app section, select see all apps, and locate Robinhood. As you do it, so you then want to make sure to go ahead and clear your cache and data that might also be able to help you out. If nothing works out, you then want to make sure to go ahead and check for an update. Head over to your respective app store, type in Robinhood, and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. If nothing works out, you could also restart your device by holding onto your side button and closing the app running in the background, as well as you could uninstall your Robinhood app for a while and reinstall it. That should also be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways you could try in order to fix Robinhood app crashing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.